I just want to emphasize to everybody that this is still a really dangerous hurricane.
As we all know, the storm is here. We have seen hurricane-force winds along the coast over 100 miles per hour. This is still a 120 mile an hour storm. We are very concerned about storm surge, and the worst effects are still likely to come. About 600,000 homes are without power. We're only halfway through. We're going to have more outages.
FEMA has worked diligently to pre-position resources, assets, water, food, commodities. As the hurricane moves north, any place that happens to get hit badly will be in a position to immediately come in and help. We're still tracking what happened in areas like Haiti that were hit more directly. There's been severe property damage and they're going to need help rebuilding. So I would ask all Americans to make sure that we're doing what we need to do to help people in need.